Before bandos, before trap house, it was shotgun houses, alleyways. That's the gutter.
See mad track.
I grew up in them shotgun houses. They gangsta like it, I waved it around me. Posted up with OGs in the alley. Grew up in them shotgun houses. I grew up in them shotgun houses. They gangsta like it, I waved it around me. Posted up with OGs in the alley. Grew up in them shotgun houses. I was raised up with no daddy around. Had to find me a hustle to help my mama out. Leaving school, jumping off the bus right to the block. My uncle always told me, boy, go and get your guap. 2006, when I start my grind, going hard in the booth like some Alpine, jumping like a trampoline in backyard. One way gang, going stupid hard. Watch out, the streets snatch you up by the throat. They won't give us no job, that's why we sell dope. Ain't no promises for tomorrow, what you waiting for? I remember plenty nights kicking down the door. I grew up in them shotgun houses. They gangsta like it, I waved it around me. Posted up with OGs in the alley. Grew up in them shotgun houses. I grew up in them shotgun houses. They gangsta like it, I waved it around me. Posted up with OGs in the alley. Grew up in them shotgun houses. Trapping hard at the spot, whipping work in the pot. Got a plug on the phone, about to go cop a lot. Keep the best of the best, can't nobody compete. Homie, I live in the streets, come and get it for the Jeep. They be copping their work like it's always the first. Spending 50s and 100s, they fiend for their work. So much money in hand, keep me a couple bands, make it rain in the club, blow it out like a